Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to easily manage zip files on your iOS devices. At work I have to deal with a lot of zip files on an everyday basis. But since I am trying to use my iPad as my main machine, I cannot open any zip files that comes as an attachment on my email. This is simply because iOS still does not have any native support for any zip files even in 2019. So at the time of shooting this video, I have tried most of the apps that are available on the App Store that can handle zip files. And I came across two apps that can handle this job brilliantly, coming right up. Hi guys, my name is Nafis and in this channel we do a lot of tech and gadget reviews and tutorials like this one. So if you want to see similar videos in the future, please subscribe down below. Okay, so the first app on our list is called Local Storage, and the main function of this app is not even handling zip files.
The primary function of this app is to provide a file management system on your On My iPhone or On My iPad folder. It allows you to create specific folders as per your needs. This is excellent because, again, iOS does not allow you to create any subfolders and only creates folder specific to the apps that need it. But you can also use this app to download zip file attachments from your email. You just have to select the share button on the top and then select save to files and then click add button on top right hand corner. Then fire up the local storage app and go to types. Here you can see a list of all the zip files that you have added. Click on the I button on your right hand side. Here you can see some details of the file and some options. The create folder for content will create a new folder when it unzips the file, and the delete archive on success option will auto delete the archived zip file that we added before from the email only if it can successfully unzip all of its contents. I'm going to turn both of these options on and then click extract. Then I will open the files app and go to the local storage folder. Inside you can see that there is a folder called extracted where I have the folder that was just unzipped, and if I open that I can see all of the contents of that zip file. Here you can preview all your items like this picture right here, and you can also play video files from within this folder.
But there is one problem about this app, and which is it cannot zip any files even if you needed it to. It can only unzip. So if you have any questions regarding any part of this video, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.
And the next app on our list is WinZip. Now this app can both unzip files and zip files unlike the previous app. But the free version that I downloaded here is full of ads. Everything that you want to do will lead you to close ad pop-ups all the time. You will see what I mean in a minute. Let me first show you the zipping feature. So let me just open up the email again. I'm going to use the same attachment that I used before. So click on the attachment, then the share button, scroll to your left and select the copy to WinZip option. This will straight away open the WinZip app and you can see the zip file that you downloaded. Click on top of the file and then select unzip, and there you go, add. You have to wait 3 seconds though till you can select try free. But it does not end there. Another ad pops up. Once I can close that, another window pops up asking me where I want to save the unzipped files. I'm just going to select unzip and that will save the file in the default folder called my files, and inside my files you can see the contents of the zip file. Now let me show you how to zip files. I'm going to try to zip a photo that is already saved on my iPad. Select a photo and then select the zip option in the bottom. But before I can do any of that, an ad has popped up. Click on try free. Another ad has popped up. Cannot close this one. So all these apps really ruins the total experience of using this app. Nothing is happening. Okay. And it is showing me where I want to save this zipped file. I'm creating a new folder inside my files called zip file where I choose the file and click zip. All I have to do is either I can rename the file or I can just save it. But before I can do anything, another ad has popped up. I'll have to wait. Oh, I can just cancel, I guess. Okay, so that has been done. All right, so let me just go back to the My Files folder and see where it has saved it. So the zip file folder is there, and inside it I can see that the image that I have just zipped is in there. Let me just try to send this as an email. So once I click on the zip file folder, it pops up with a bunch of Options, I can select the send email with, and well, I can select try free after it will let me. And then another ad has popped up. Need to wait till I can close this one. Yeah, it's not happening. All right, so that's done. And now the email option has popped up. I can just type in whoever I want to send this email to. I'll just send this to myself. Put a subject in. And off it goes. Let me just see in the Gmail app if it has popped up. Scrolling to the top. Right, there I can see the zip file is in here. It's called zipfile.zip. So there you go. That's how you do it. I think it's better to pay for the full version if you are going to use this app regularly, just for the ease of use.
Now there are other apps on the App Store that can zip files like WinZip in a much cheaper rate, but I have used them all and found them all very buggy, even in 2019. So my recommendation is go with WinZip, even if it costs $1 more than the other apps. So these are my favorite apps to handle zip files on iOS in 2019. Guys, if you have liked this video, then please hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.